Today we are here at the Smoky Mountain Coin Laundry just off of Wares Valley Road in Pigeon, Tennessee. We're gonna check it out and see how nice of a facility this is to get some stuff washed. Let's get started. Let's go inside. First glance at the laundromat. The laundromat has a bunch of different laundry baskets. Most of them are currently being used. And about 4 of these nice folding tables for your laundry after they're done in the dryer. Here are the washing machines. The small ones run $3.50. Then you take credit cards. $7.50 for 60-pound giant load. And they do have bigger washing machines that run $5.50 all along the back wall. Not quite sure, $5 for these ones. Not quite, oh, $7.50. So far, overall, not bad. Overall cleanliness, I would give a 5 out of 10. Dryers are $1 a piece, and these smaller dryers, there's 16 of them, and they're so all in all, I think the laundry experience was pretty good. We spent only $13 to do 3 big blankets, a whole bunch of towels, and clothes for 7 people. And we were in there for about an hour and a half. Not bad at all. And score, I think, is 8 out of 10. Until next time, guys.